Last time we talked about how you can move a cube in Unity using a code you got um, from ChatGPT. You remember I have another video for that. But now I'm asking actually another question. How about the cube? That cube it does move actually. It's not it's, the correct one is does move with the mouse movement. So here's what the updated version would be like. We have a cube and we'll move the mouse, and then the cube would move as well. So basically, on the mouse down, this is one way of doing it, and then mouse drag and just moving it around. And then when your mouse is up, then there would be the quit of the application, the active game object, which is the cube, right? And you can actually go through this, which is quite simple. So let me show you how you do it. So have another script CubeController again here attached to the cube, right? Attached to cube, both of them. And then first, let me just remove this sine wave so that it would be just cube. So that it moves. So you can see I can hold, click, and then move around. I'm gonna just stop and just release. Then the cube will be gone, right? You can even do the with the sign, so it will be two movements at the same time. So these scripts which are attached to the cube are working here. So you see that's moving because of the sine wave, and then you can actually, if you can grab it and then move it around, right? And then we release it, then that'll be gone. It's really cool, just simple code. I didn't do much. I just basically cut and paste, copy and paste. You can see here. You can do quite a lot of things here.